Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a step-by-step guide on drawing an adorable teddy bear. Get your pencils ready and let's bring this cuddly companion to life on paper. So, let's get started. Finally, we have successfully drawn a teddy bear. Now it's time to paint it. First we will start with red color. Then we can take pink color, but you can use other color if you want. Next, we will use yellow color for the rest of the body. Congratulations on completing your very own teddy bear drawing. I hope you had as much fun creating it as I did guiding you through the process. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and let your imagination run wild. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting drawing tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing!